What is the super outbreak of 1974? The super outbreak of 1974 is the worst tornado outbreak ever recorded. It occurred during April 3rd to 4th and consisted of 148 tornadoes that affected the Canadian state of Ontario and 13 different states in the US. Significant tornadoes. Perhaps the most astonishing fact about this outbreak were the amount of violent tornadoes, 23 F4 and 7 F5 in less than a day, when the national average is 7 a year. The most damaging of these tornadoes occurred in Xenia, Ohio. It had the highest wind speed ever recorded and was about a half-mile wide. Why was this outbreak more damaging than the 2011 outbreak? The 2011 April 25th to 28th super outbreak did have more tornadoes. However, they occurred over a longer period of time and were less devastating. They also occurred in an age that tornado detection systems had vastly improved, meaning that people were given warnings and had time to protect themselves. In comparison, the 1974 outbreak happened over a shorter period of time and the tornadoes were more spread out. There was also almost no warning to people when a tornado was going to hit. What is a tornado? Tornadoes are a type of natural disasters. They are also referred to as twisters. Tornadoes form when cool, dry air meets warm, moist air. Increasing wind speeds and a change in wind direction forms a rapidly rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. Damage caused. The 1974 super outbreak was extremely costly. It took more than $600 million to repair all the damage done by the tornadoes. The Xenia tornado, which was the deadliest and most damaging of all the tornadoes during this outbreak, is one of the top 10 costliest tornadoes ever recorded in the U.S., taking around $250 million to repair damage. Should the government give money to the towns affected to help repair damage? I believe that the government should give money to help repair the damage, but only to the towns most severely affected, like Xenia, Ohio. The damage done to these towns would probably be too much for the town to repair without significantly impacting the lives of the people that live there. But if the government paid for all the damage, the economy of the U.S. would take a severe hit. So giving money in order to pay for damage only to the towns most affected wouldn't be too much money for the government to give, but would still help the people affected.